Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Fiat 500 cabin filter. First, gather your tools. You will need a Torx T20 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your car's air quality. It is a straightforward process that takes about 15 to 20 minutes to complete, making it an easy DIY project for anyone. To access the filter, open the passenger door and locate the glove box. You will see 3 Torx T20 screws along the bottom edge of the glove box panel. Carefully remove these screws. Once they are out, gently pull down the panel. This action will expose the cabin filter housing, which is typically a black plastic box. Now, locate the 2 retaining clips on the filter housing cover. Unclip them and carefully remove the cover. You will then see the old cabin air filter. Gently slide it out, noting its orientation. Take your new filter and ensure the airflow arrow points towards the rear of the vehicle. Slide the new filter into place until it is fully seated. With the new filter in, reattach the housing cover, making sure the 2 clips snap securely into place. Next, align the glove box bottom panel and reinsert the 3 Torx T20 screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently but firmly. Finally, turn on your car's ventilation system to ensure everything is working correctly and enjoy your fresh cabin air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.